Show you guys where I hid her binky, and she has still not what the binky is right there, but I'm gonna let it be. Hi, baby. What's in there? JOOD. Morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you today? We hope you are having an amazing week. Baby Zara is going to go 24 hours without the binky. Yay! Say hi, baby. Say hi, baby. Say hi. You gonna do it? Yay! I have a binky right here. I didn't clip it on. We are getting ready to work on her Baby Einstein apple bits, as well as make some pizza. You want to make some homemade pizza with mommy? Yeah. For lunch? Boom. You want to do it? Go ahead. Boom, 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 boom. Do it. Boom, 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 boom. When she say boom and she hold her finger up like this, she wants me to go like that. Bing, boom, boom, boom. So, which bow do you want to wear? These are the bows that we got from Marshall's when we went. And I'm going to let her pick out which bow she wants. Baby, you want to get in your bed? You want to get in your bed? Bed? You want to get in your bed? Which bow do you want? Which bow do you want? Yeah, for your hair. Which bow do you want? That one? That don't match. That's blue. That don't match. Yeah, that one match. Good girl. So she picked out the pink one down at the bottom. This one right here. She picked out this one right here, so I'm about to put it in her hair. Yay! And I should hide this binky because she is going to want it. So, especially when she takes a nap, she wants the binky then. But we're gonna play without it. We're gonna nap without it. We're gonna cook without it, so she can get used to not having the binky. So she picked up this headband. I'm gonna put it in your hair. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah. You picked out a great hair bow. Ooh, so beautiful, baby. Perfect. Hi, baby. Yes, perfect. Say, ooh, am I stay at home ready? Say hi, am I stay at home ready? You gonna say hi? Hi. So I am going to hide her binky in her hiding spot. You guys, if you watched the video before, you know where her hiding spot is. In her bed. Nothing, baby. So now I hid her binky in her hiding spot. Thank you for the hiding spot. And we are getting ready to work on our baby Einstein. Yay! You want to work on your baby Einstein? Yeah. Let's work on our baby Einstein. So here's her baby Einstein cards, and I think it was in her 7-month video that you guys seen these. We were working on these. What is this? I want you to do this one. G for girl. Girl. You a girl. See the girls? Ooh. Girls. V for violin. Look, this is the violin. And so in the pictures, oh, here's one with just the actual color. Yellow. Yellow. Say, ooh, yellow. 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 The girl. The girls. So like in the pictures, like this one, it's like a picture, an art picture with whatever letter it is. See, and then it has the actual animal inside. You are, see? For cow, moo. Moo. Yellow. Yellow. For Y, yellow. No. Yellow. Yellow. No, you have pink in your hair. She's pointing to her hair bow. That's pink. Yellow. Yeah, yellow. Y is for yellow. Girl. Girl. Yeah, girls. Two girls in that picture, huh? Two. You're one. Put up your one finger. One. Yep, you're one. One. High five. You're one. You're one. So yeah, I just practice her. So yeah, I just practice with her every day with these cards, and I switch them up so that way. Teddy bear, there go your favorite. Here you go. She was reaching for it. Her favorite teddy bear. Yeah, teddy bear. She loves that one. So every day I work with her on these cards just to get her advanced. Yeah. Where's Teddy? Where's your teddy bear? Your teddy bear? So now we get ready to go cook some pizza. That's your teddy bear? Ready to go make some pizza? Girl? Yeah, teddy bear. Ready to go make some pizza? So we are getting ready to go make some lunch. And then we're going to work back on the cards. And you want to play? You want to play? You want to play? You going to play? You going to play with me? You going to play with mommy? Are you going to play with mommy? Yeah? I have the chef right here, and it is 10 minutes to noon. We're getting ready to set the timer so we can start our pizza. Ready to cook, baby? Ready to make some pizza? Pizza. Our homemade pizza. Say hi. Yeah, hi. We have Baby Zara has the pepperonis. We have cheese. We have our bread crust and sauce. Yeah, you ready? Here, we can make them on your tray. You want to make them on your tray? Huh? Ooh. Let Mom pour the... Here. Let Mommy pour the sauce on there. Ooh. Pour the sauce on. Ooh. Sauce. Yeah. I don't need a spatula to spread it on with. Wasn't thinking. So I have the spatula to spread it on with. Ooh. So I'm going to do one with cheese and pepperonis and one just with cheese just to see which one she likes. Oh, you hear the phone? You got to go get the phone? Who is that? Oh, it's... So, here's how it looks just with the sauce on there. And I'm going to let Baby Zara put the cheese on there. Put some cheese on there. Here. Look, say, ooh. Here. Put some cheese on there. Ooh. Here. Here, ZZ. She think I'm trying to feed her the cheese. No, I want you to put it on there. Put it on your pizza. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, bigger enough. She's putting the cheese on the pizza. Oh, she's eating the cheese. That's even better. It's good. You like mozzarella cheese or you like Gouda cheese? I think she likes Gouda cheese and Asiago. She loves Asiago cheese. Yeah, don't you? Okay, so this one is just going to be all cheese, and I'm going to give her both of them to see which one she likes. But this one is going to be all cheese, and make sure no sauce is spilled. Yeah, you like that pizza, huh? I'm going to put it in the pan, and let's do the other one. She's so busy eating the cheese, but I love it. It's good? Mmm. You gonna help me do the pepperonis for this pizza? Huh? You gonna help me do the pepperonis? So I'm just pouring the sauce. I'm just spreading the sauce all over the pizza, and she's just eating the cheese. I love it. Mmm. It's good. This one may need some more sauce. Let's get some more sauce for it. Have to get some more sauce for this pizza so it can be good. Yeah. Ooh. She's just eating the cheese away. Go ahead, baby. Mmm, is it good? Mmm. Had to put some more sauce on this pizza, huh? So now we want to put the cheese on and then the pepperonis on top. You want to put some cheese on there with mommy? And she's doing excellent, fam. She's doing excellent without her Binky. I am so happy. She doesn't even know that she doesn't have it. So I'm just going to keep her active all day, and hopefully I wear her out to where she doesn't need the Binky at nighttime. Because that's mainly when she really needs it, is at night when she goes to sleep. That's just like her soothing mechanism to put her to sleep. You gonna put some cheese on there for me? You gonna help me put some cheese on there? She's too busy eating cheese. But yeah, so I'm just gonna keep her busy, wear her out, and so hopefully when it's time for her to go to bed and time for her to take her nap, she's not going to want the Binky. She's gonna be just so tired that she's just like, I'm going to sleep. Yeah. Look, you're supposed to help mommy. Good thing we got a lot of cheese. Because you're eating the cheese, huh? Gonna help put on the pepperonis? You wanna put one on? Now we have the pepperonis. Yeah, put one on. Ooh, look it. And I'm gonna show you the finished touches of this pepperoni pizza once I finish putting on all the pepperonis. And you wanna help mommy? You can put your pepperoni in the center because you're the center of my heart. You got it? You gonna get it on your dress? Say, yes, I am. Yes, I am. I'm going to get it on my dress. It's okay. No, you're not? No, you're not? She said, no, she's not. She's not going to get it on her dress. She done took the pepperoni off the pizza. Oh, my gosh, see? You want a pepperoni? Here. Let me give you another pepperoni. There you go. Ooh. Ooh, you want to put some on? She wants the cheese again. Okay. Mama eat pepperoni too. Where's your pepperoni at? You spilled it? So here is how the last pizza looked at. We're going to put it in the oven. We're going to put it on our pizza pan with the other pizza. We're going to put them in the oven. Yeah. Look what you did. Ooh. So now we're going to put them in the oven. It's already preheated. And while those are in the oven, baby Zara and I are going to go play. You want to go play? I think she spilled that pepperoni down in her shirt, but it's okay. We're just going to put these toppings up. You want a pepperoni? You want another one? Pepperoni. You want some more cheese? She likes the cheese. She loves the cheese, I see. Mmm. Ooh. She's thinking about it. She's like, I don't know. You want some? Yeah. Mmm. So while the pizza is getting ready, hi, we are getting ready to just play. You ready to play? Here's how our pieces turned out, and yes, I am going to feed baby Zara because she's going to make a mess. Hi, baby. Hi. Your pizzas? Did you make these? You make those? Closet. Probably not the clothes, perhaps. Maybe not the clothes because a lot of these are her winter clothes that she just got. But I do want to get rid of her shoes because she has grown out of these shoes, and she didn't even wear these shoes yet. Off the headband, you guys see the headband? So she has grown. So I am going to take some of the shoes out of her closet, like these ones right here, these little dress shoes. She only wore these once. These boots she has never worn. These boots, she's never worn these. And that would have been cute if she could fit them. But she was a baby when it was wintertime, so these ones right here, she was never able to fit because now it's winter. And it's time to wear them, and she can't fit them. She outgrown them before she could wear them. And these shoes, she only wore once, I believe, maybe. Did you wear these? Did you wear these? I don't know if she wore these or not. From Old Navy. And she did wear these as a baby, and she has to get rid of them. I love these shoes so much because it has the unicorn on there. You guys, can you see that? Let's see. Yeah, you can see the little unicorns on there. So I'm mad that she can't fit these anymore, but it's okay. And that's it. The little tennis shoes right here, she's not able to fit these yet. So when she's able to fit these, she's going to be rocking those. So yeah, look at her. She's putting her shoes. What's in your mouth? Say, don't put me on Front Street. So yeah, that's... Hey, you climbing on me? You ready to get rid of your shoes? Did you get ready to get rid of... You want to get rid of them? Why do babies put everything in their mouth? What is that? Why you putting your boot in your mouth? Good thing you wasn't on the floor when you had to walk with those on. Mommy carried you. Yeah. So I think that's all that we're going to... maybe some summer outfits that she's not going to wear next year. Like the Mommy and Me outfit. I may get rid of that. And a lot of summer outfits. Uh-oh. You okay? You okay? You okay? So, yep, I'm going to climb again. A lot of the summer outfits that she has. Yeah. A lot of the summer outfits that she has. She just wore. She wore them all. Yeah, so, when the season hit, I had end up donating them. But she does have some Mommy and Me summer outfits. And I may just go ahead and get rid of those because Body Works, and I'm about to go shopping with ZZ. Hey fam, Baby Zara and I are out. We're about to go into Bath and Body Works and get us some, well, get me some lotion and some body care scents and maybe a candle. I want to see all the Christmas stuff they have out. I know they have their Christmas stuff out. I hope they do because I love their Christmas scents. You ready, Sting Bubba? ZZ. Z. So now that we're back in from Bath and Body Works, I'm gonna show you guys what I purchased, and you already know Baby Zara is on it. She's looking. What I get? So I got my favorite scent that I've been getting for a year now. The lotion to it, well, body cream is it? Is it moisturizer or body cream? Body cream of it. And look at this. She's in my bag. What you getting in the bag? What's in the bag? What you getting? And I got this to put in my purse because I already have the body cream in it. I always get the body cream versus anything else, and then I got... So the last things I got was fall season hand sanitizers, fresh sparkling snow, and blackberry and basil. And now that it's daylight saving time, it seems like it gets darker quick. It's only about to be 5 o'clock. We're getting ready to close out the video. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to. Hope you enjoyed watching us, and have a wonderful evening. And as you guys can see, she still doesn't have her Binky, so hopefully when she goes to sleep, she doesn't want her Binky as well.